So for the Muller Techie experiment, so basically like the shape experiment, feel that the independent variable would be potentially the type of sound we would associate with the shapes, or what the how you see the shapes are. I think even as we discussed it in class was, hey, based off, since both of the names aren't assigned leader to shapes, it's just up to us to determine, hey, like what shape is this, how we sound. I had brought up that, hey, Maluma is to me would belong to more of the softer shape, the more blobbish one, while Teke Teki would be more associated with the sharper object. And those would be the two levels would be, hey, of the Maluma and Teki one. And the dependent variable would be just how, I guess, how we would rate, or how the participants would rate. So that would be us. How do we rate? Like, how do we match the sounds to the shapes? So based off all of that, that would be the dependent variable to me. I feel like this was an independent group design where, hey, like participants were we were kind of like assigned or just kind of asked, hey, like to you, which ones would be which is which. So to you, is it more like the softer sounding word would belong to like more of the blobs, or the sharp sounding one belonging more to the sharper shape of things? And to me, this would be a post test only design since we are presenting, oh, hey, like, just based off pronunciation, what do you feel like the shape is? Then we would just be like, hey, after we respond to it, get the measurements of, oh, hey, like, oh, so that's what you think this one is and whatnot. And I feel like if we were to find a way to counterbalance this, we could maybe have, I don't know. So let's say we have one group that thinks the round shape is more Muluma, and the other one is vice versa. The Teke belongs more to the sharper one. Maybe have the groups kind of hear each other, so maybe they get to see maybe why the other groups thinks the other way, or maybe some people might think Teke belongs to more of the rounded shape. So you'd have two groups kind of interact with each other to gauge that, hey, maybe why did they come to something different, or are they all on the same page regarding that?